Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an EMEET GeniusCall HS150 wireless Bluetooth headset with the microphone and everything like that, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this headset is not working for some reason, like it's not pairing with your Bluetooth, or it's not connecting to your computer, or not connecting with the dongle, or it keeps disconnecting. If the microphone's not working or muted, stuck on mute. Any issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to delete all the pairing settings, undo everything so that you can set this headset up basically like it's brand new coming out of the box, maybe on a new computer or something like that. But anyway, it's really easy to do. All we need to do is come in and find on this ear cup with the microphone on, we're just going to find the volume up and the volume down buttons. And we're just going to press and hold those two buttons for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, this headset will reset to its factory default settings. We can go ahead, turn it on, and set it up like it's a brand new headset coming out of the box.